You think handstand is just upside down standing? Huh, you try jump on two hands without learned basics? You fall like banana on ice. But no, no, no. Handstand not about jump and hope. Handstand is sacred jungle recipe. Needs strong wrists like tree root, balance like coconut on branch, and core tight like mango stuffed in monkey pouch. You know do steps, you fall like sad monkey off waterfall. So today, Coach Kong show you 5 monkey moves to master before you try handstand. We build from ground up. You listen or you eat dirt. Yes? We begin with monkey move number 1, frog stand. This move, oh, it look funny, yes. But this not joke. This is secret entrance to handstand temple. You want to unlock balance? Then you trust in frog. Why frog stand so powerful? I tell you. First, your wrists. They weak like baby bananas. You need to make wrists strong like gorilla handshake. In frog stand, your wrists press into ground. Fingers grip like claws on cliff. This teach you how to balance on hands, not just fall like sleepy bat. And core? Oh, your core. Most humans forget core. They try handstand with noodle belly. No. Frog stand turn belly into jungle drum, tight and full of power. Now how you do this? Listen close. First, put hands flat on ground, not in front like crow pose. Number hands to side. Think of pushing ground apart, like you fight earth itself. Toes stay on ground. Bend knees. Lean forward, gently. Not like you drunk, just soft lean. Elbows bent slightly. You push fingers down hard, like squishing berry you know like. Now lift one leg. Only one. You panic? Good. That's fear leaving body. Lift second leg if you brave. Keep head looking forward, not down like sad panda. Balance. Shake? Yes. Shake mean grow. You grow stronger every wobble. Stay here. Breathe. Be frog. Can't hold long. No problem. You repeat. Again and again. Like a monkey swinging branch to branch, learning which ones hold. When you master frog stand, then, and only then, you try crow pose. Arms more bent, legs higher, you look more graceful, but still grounded. Then flying crow. Ha, that's like jungle ballet. Not for today. But soon. You keep climbing. So why frog stand important? Because it teaches you the feel of balance. It's calisthenics for beginners, but don't be fooled. This beginner move is secret weapon. You learn frog, you learn to handstand, you skip frog, you kiss mud. Now, move 2. Wall-assisted handstand. Oh, now we upside down. Almost. But wall is your jungle tree. You hold it, it holds you. Too many try kick into handstand like wild baboon. They panic, fall, cry, maybe poop little. We fix that with wall. Start easy. Stand back to wall. Kick up softly. Legs hit wall, heart hits throat. Normal. That fear? It's fake? Tell brain, shh. But better way? Chest to wall. Yes. Is scarier, but is also stronger. How you do? First, climb into it. Hands down, feet walk up wall, slowly, like you suspicious lemur. Then walk hands closer to wall, butt tight, belly tight, nose almost kiss bark. Now hold. 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 1 jungle minute. This builds strength, shoulder strength, scapula control, and trust. Trust in arms, in wall, in yourself. You think, when I do real handstand? Answer, when you can hold this chest to wall calmly, like monkey meditating in storm. Do not rush. Do not rush. You rush, you fall. Today you make wall your friend. Now come down, rest, smile. That was big step. Now on to move 3, pike push-up. Now we build shoulder power. Big, juicy deltoids. The engine of handstand. Handstand not floaty dance. It's press, push, fight gravity like it stole your fruit. Pike push-up is best calisthenics workout at home to build this. Start like normal push-up. Boring. Then walk feet to hands. Butt up, like mountain goat. This is pike. Now bend elbows. Elbows go straight down, not back. This is not normal push-up. This is head to ground move. Go slow, touch head to floor if you can. If not, go halfway. Don't collapse. Collapse is equal to slap. Keep heels lifted, core tight, breath steady. Later, you do on blocks or boxes. More range, more strength. But today, floor is teacher. Remember, pike push-up is not show-off move. It's handstand fuel. No strong push, no balance. You go up, gravity say get down. So do pike push-up, even when shoulders cry. Crying mean growing. Now move 4, hollow body hold. Now we train inside, not just arms and wrists. Now we go to jungle cave, your core. Handstand is tall tree. Without roots, it fall. Hollow body is root training. Purpose? It build core stability. It teach body how to stay still in mid-air. Hollow body hold is sacred move in calisthenics and gymnastics. You ask any acrobat, any monkey gymnast, they all say same. You know do hollow, you know fly. So lie flat. Arms to side first, not overhead. Beginner no need extra difficulty. Legs straight, feet together. Now lift legs, lift shoulders. Small lift, tiny. Like a baby monkey curling up to swing. Keep back flat, no arch. Belly push to floor like stubborn monkey holding its ground. Look at toes. Hold 10, 20, 30 seconds. You shake? Good. That's abs learning. Before workout, before you lift, before you climb. This is base. Later, arms go overhead. Legs go lower, but not if back arch. Arch equals doom. Core tight, form right. This is how you fly with control. This move alone make handstand more solid. Not flashy, but essential. This teach body how to lock midline, how to resist gravity. You want handstand to feel like floating. Then you train hollow body until core scream in 6 languages. This not optional. This is law. This is jungle rule. Next is move 5. Shoulder mobility drills. Last move. Most boring? Maybe. Most important? Yes. Tight shoulder equals broken handstand. You go up, shoulders shrug, body bend, you look like soggy banana. We fix. First, pike stretch. Go to pike position, like before. Now keep heels up. Shoulders push down, back flat. Feel it? Yes. That's tension leaving jungle house. Do reps. 5, 6, maybe 10. Slow, no bounce, controlled. Then, pike shrugs. Same pike, same tightness. But now, move shoulders. Up, down. Like monkey saying, me? No. Don't bend elbows, only shoulders. This builds control in scapula. That's shoulder blade. Fancy word for wing muscle. Want more challenge? Elevate feet, do same stretch, same shrug. Now gravity say, hello. This opens shoulders. You want clean handstand line? You need this. You want people clap when you do handstand? You better stretch. So, you do this 2 to 3 times per week. Forever. Now, you thought handstand was magic trick? Number 1 is recipe. These 5 monkey moves, they're ingredients. You skip, you bake cake without flour. It flop, it's sad. You rise, you balance, you flip pancakes in midair, so don't cheat. Frog stand equals balance. Wall handstand equals courage. Pike push-up equals power. Hollow hold equals control. And mobility drills equals freedom. Each move a step in calisthenics ladder. You climb slow, but you climb right. Handstand is not dream. Handstand is earned. And you earn it. One wobble at a time. So go! Train hard. Rest strong. Eat banana. And when you hold first handstand, smile. Jungle watches, jungle proud.